$10.
An ice cream.
Awesome, thank you.
What are you doing?
Double roast beef sandwich, and then can we get an order of fries? That'd be it.
She spoke like an auctioneer.
I know, that's what I'm like.
Well, you panicked.
Can you not reach him to the freaking